you want to do when you're working on a valley, instead of having to work with this up in the valley, having to like slide down the roof, doing the bottom with a pencil, and you won't get chalk on the roof either. And that guide is for when you put your metal on. Your metal is going to be cut right to that mark. You probably want this one down a bit. Here. Kind of a gnarly board, but it'll work. We good there? Yes, sir. You don't get chalk on your roof, you're not slipping and sliding while you're up on the roof.